Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. Kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, subscribe at para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos tungkol sa mga barya. Ito yung 1962 guys na 6 pins sa Queen Elizabeth II ng New Zealand. Yung description nyo guys. 1962 6 pins Queen Elizabeth II, minted from Cofro Nickel. 1962 pins Queen Elizabeth II was a British silver coin that was first minted in 1551 and eventually continuously until decimalization in 1971. They are small coins. The last minted had a diameter of about 19.4 mm. It was a popular coin when in circulation and is now popular with the collectors. It has a long history and many nice specimens can be obtained at affordable prices. The 6 pence coin was often referred to as a tannier. It calls tannier. Silver coins expenses or half shilling have been minted since 1551 in the reign of Edward VI and were minted by every British monarchs since then. 6 pence originally appeared due to the debasement of silver coinage prior to 1551. By the mid and late 18th century, when the Britain was moving through an industrial revolution, there was a high demand for silver coinage. The French Revolutionary Wars 1792 hanggang 1802 and the Napoleonic Wars 1803 hanggang 1815 made the silver and gold shortage even worse. The 6 pence was so thin it could be bent by hand and so got the nickname of Bender. In the Great Coinage of 1816, the British government made a massive attempt to stabilize the currency, and the 6 pence with other silver coins moved to a new standard sterling silver at 0.925 or 92.5% silver. Sterling silver remained the standard until the World War took their toll. 6 pence became a 50% silver in 1920 and no silver at all in 1946. The coin then became copper nickel, 75% copper and 25% nickel. The last circulation 6 pence was dated in 1967 with a proof in 1970, just before decimalization on 15th of February 1971. Why was it called a tanner? No one knows for sure that, but a contender must be after John Sigismund Tanner 1705 hanggang 1775 was a chief engraver of the Royal Mint during the reign of George II and was the designer of a 6 pence. The other alternative may be word derived from a Romani words tauno, meaning small things. A quick boot about decimalization. Since decimalization we have €1, 1p, that is 1 pound, 100p, that is 1 pound, 100 pence, but before decimalization the breakdown was very different. While the pound sterling was the same in the pre-decimal era, 1 pound, 20 shillings, 240 pennies, or 1 shillings, 12 pennies. So, 1962 Queen Elizabeth II is 6 old pennies or half a shilling. 1/40 of a pound. In today's money, it will be worth 2 1/2 pence. Not much now, but in days gone by 6 pence was a good amount of money. 6 pence Queen Elizabeth II. This is the first portrait. Ang kanyang pictures ay ito yung issuer, New Zealand, Queen Elizabeth II in 1952 hanggang 2022. Type niya is standard circulation coin. Year is 6 pence. Currency found 1840 hanggang 1967. Composition copper nickel. Itimbang siya na 2.83 grams. Diameter 19.3 mm. Ang thickness 1.35 mm. At shape ang round ganyang shape. Technique is mild. Orientation is middle alignment. Demonetized October 31, 2006. Number siya na in number 4017. Reference number KM number 26.1 at saka KM number 26.2. Ito yung obverse niya guys. Young Laureate Bust of HM Queen Elizabeth II facing right. Legend around. Script Latin lettering Queen Elizabeth II MG. Engraver Mary Gaelic. At ang kanyang reverse, ito yung reverse din, Huia Verde Heteraloca Acotiros 3 first seed on a branch is an extinct wattle bird and was found only in North Island of New Zealand. Script Latin lettering New Zealand KG 6 pence 1962. Engravers George Kroger Gray. Age is round. Age is rated Royal Mint Tower Hill, London, United Kingdom, 1810 hanggang 1975. Comment: the BU uncirculated sheets issued in 1965, which was the last year of minting of the pre-decimal coins, come in 3 different versions. The pink label sheets included just an ordinary circulation coins that had not gone into circulation. The green label sheet included the selected circulation coins that had not gone into circulation. Together, pink and green label sheets had a mintage of 175,000 in total. The blue label sheet include special selected and false uncirculated coins, sometimes described as the Verde, 1/2 penny, 1 penny, 3 pence, 1 shilling, 1 florin, 1/2 crown, and in 1962 is 11% ang kanyang inilabas at ang uncirculated niya is 78 pesos. Sa KM number 26.2. At ang kanyang prop sa 1962 na KM number 26.1 or 26.2 is 0.3% at walang price. At dinidisplay din ito guys sa eBay natin guys na 500 hanggang 600 pesos ang bintahan to sa eBay. So kung meron kayong mga ganito guys, doon lang sa eBay natin ibinta para maka-presyo tayo ng maganda doon. So hanggang dito lang guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Ito, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos tungkol sa mga barya. God bless ating lahat.